Ka Sarkar Jala kala ajung Mynjur ya ka Technical, Financial and Social Service Rules naga benta ki jaka Municipal haga Jala Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba ulo ong bagi ni rules ki dei benta jong jing persang ke Sarkar ban penklan ya ka sensyar kadar ki Municipal. Bagi long ru kat kum gajing betha bagajing ajung mut jong Sarkar pedang. Nalor kini ke Sarkar Jala kala Mynjur ru ya ka amendment jong ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws ka batmu ban penjenai ke rukam pendan kam ni ke jaka kajing penbet renti irkom trekam kajing ajing bet bat kiwai-kiwai. Kajing elang jangka kynhun menteri kala ajing Mynjur ru ek amendment jangka Meghalaya Health Service Rules.
Regarding the technical, financial and social service rules that were made for the municipalities of Meghalaya. So this basically the structure was formed as well as the rules were also put into place, and this is being done as per the directions and suggestions that have been given by Government of India, and these kind of reforms are taking place throughout the country. The second decision that was also made was the amendments to the Meghalaya building bylaws. Again, this is in line with the recommendations that have come from Government of India, mainly to do with the overall management of the land and giving the permissions and allowing more space for building construction to be done so that more value of the land can come out. And as I said, these are all being done as per the guidelines and the suggestions that have been given by Government of India. And this is being done in all the different locations and different states throughout the country.